Hello friends, after logging the Gemini AI Studio, I've selected the streaming and real-time option. The left hand side is the second option is the mic symbol also there. I will click this one. After that the talk Gemini, show Gemini users webcam, and this you can also click this webcam. You can the allowed this also, you can observe this is the allowed.
Okay, I understand.
After that I will say
You said is
option.
the is there? You said option. Do you have another option?
I take new one, stream real time, and select and the share the screen. Now I will open this sharing and tag the screen.
Okay, I understand you're going to share your screen. Let me know when you're ready and if there's anything specific you want me to look for.
The enter the screen I will share.
Okay, I understand. You're saying you're about to share your screen.
Go to another at the screen. It is the streaming real-time Google. The share the screen.
Sure, I can help with that. I see that the video is showing something being streamed in real time and that it is shaping a
You can observe this. There's so many facilities are there. You can share your project also.
Okay, I see.
Click the streaming real time. The some tools are as the right hand side is there. Click these tools. The code executive is not on, function calling, automatic function response, grounding. You can enable this one. These all tools are you can enable us. We can enable this all tools also. You can go to setting and give the auto enable. The permission is the light, dark, and light, and system. System is the light also light. You observe this, the white color is changing. You want to click the dark color, the screen is changing. Please subscribe my Tech Dude channel. Please like my Tech Dude channel. Thanking you once again, your Tech Dude. Hello guys, what's up? This is your Tech Dude. Today I will explain the Gemini sharing functional allowed using the sharing entire conversion threads as specified segment with other users, providing calibrate with the either view only access or permissions continue integrated with the AI. The preserve the following conversion including all prompts and response so that calibration can see their entire context history of the conversion. The sharing project. The project is Google Gemini. Refer to board task. The option combination multiple conversion documentation and output generated by the AI. AI project could be involving anything from generating multiple bots and creating a full business proposal, or even writing codes and testing it across the different environmental sharing projects. And with the Gemini enable users calibrate in real time, allowing multiple teams members contribute to different part of the project, share and organize various outputs such as a text document, code snippet, and data visualization, provide feedback direct within the project interface, allowing smooth revision updates. When sharing conversion project, users can assigning different access level view only. This is option allows the other sees the project or conversion but prevent the from making changes interacting with the AI. Edit this grant full calibration privileges, allow other modified content continues interacting with the AI or generating new outputs. Comment only. This option enable users level feedback or suggesting without alternative primary content. By offering flexible permission setting, Gemini enable to terms control how to inform following, ensuring that the right people have access to right part of the project. The integrated with other tools of AI. The major strength of Google Gemini is ability integrated with other popular calibration and project management tools. This is integrated ensure that commercial and project share within Gemini can be synchronized with external platforms such as Google Workspace, Sync with Google Docs, Chat, and Slide. Allow seamless integrated with common product tool. Slack users can share the conversion updates within the team Slack channels, ensuring AI generating insight are visible the actionable across the team. GitHub for the developing Gemini can directly integrate with GitHub response, allowing the generating code project updates with the shared across the development pipeline. The interoperability is circular of business and teams and that use multiple platforms in their daily operations, ensuring that Gemini is the does not operating in the cell but is part of the order ecosystems. The set a clear object share project, organize project and conversions, use common features of feedback, regular update permissions, and this. Please subscribe my TechDot channel. Please like my TechDot channel. Thanking you once again, your TechDot.